Testing out GoPro 9. That's so cool. I love it. Eating my millet porridge at the river, well, canal, at the canal with my bike. It's a nice sunny day in Scotland and I'm pretty happy, which is good. Struggle to keep up with consistency on YouTube. Don't know, just always feel like I'm too late now for the YouTube game. But then I just remind myself that I don't think you can ever be late for that stuff. Yeah, I guess one of the reasons is I just like, I don't know, kind of like my life is boring type thing. But there are a lot of boring YouTubers out there that are making money on it, so maybe I can get on top of that game too. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go on a little cycle now on my retro bike, which I bought for £50 along this beautiful canal, and I'm gonna try, I just bought a GoPro like a couple of days ago, so I'm gonna try and attach it to somewhere on my bike. Yeah, let's see how that works. This is weird. Ugly naked guy. Okay, I just checked back on the video quality and the sound, how well you can hear me. The stabilization is freaking epic. Oh my god, it's so good. Like, I can see how much my GoPro is shaking on the bike, so I'm just checking if I'm like obstructing the way. I can see how much my GoPro is shaking, but the video is like super stable. Ah, I'm so not used to that. I love it though. Right, let's do a little bit of cycling vlogging, shall we? This is gonna be funny. Okay, just up a little bit like that. Yeah, hopefully it will stay. I hope you can hear me from here. Oh, it's so beautiful here. I love it. What I was saying is my life is not boring. It's just my silly brain trying to come up with excuses why I shouldn't be doing this. So there's a bug on me. Fucking hell. So it is time to come out of my shell and start making videos. So to motivate myself, I bought myself a GoPro because it's so easy to take around with you. It's apparently really good at stabilizing videos, and the sound seems okay, and it's just like so convenient. And I love the fact that this GoPro has a front camera, so I can do vlogs like that, because, you know, I have a really good camera at home. I have a really good camera at home, but I can't see myself because the screen is not like a flip screen or anything, so it's a bit, I can't really do vlogging on it that well, but unless I just hope that it will record my face. Sorry, I'm aware that you can only see my legs right now. 1 second. Oh, Christ's sakes. There you go. Sorry. Yeah, if I go on rides again with my GoPro, I'll make sure I figure out like a better way of doing this. But for now, you'll just have to deal with it. Flies. Wow. Freaking love Scotland. So nice. my dear. No, if we find like a corner where there's no people, I might just go in naked. Testing my GoPro strap. Sorry, GoPro strap, chest strap. I don't know how much you can see. That's the maximum limit of up, so. Strawberry.